In this video, I'll show you how to add bank details to an invoice in Xero. First, it's important to know that in Xero, bank details are usually added through your invoice branding theme or template, not by typing them fresh onto every single invoice. Xero's help says you can customize the branding theme to add or remove bank account details, payment terms, and payment advice for sales invoices. To do this, open Xero, click your organization name, then go to Settings and choose Invoice Settings. Find the invoice template or branding theme you use, then click Options and choose Edit. Xero says this is where you customize the payment details that appear on your invoices. Now look for the section where you can enter payment details, payment advice, or your invoice terms. Add your bank name, account number, and any other payment instructions you want your customer to see, then save the template. After that, invoices using that branding theme will show those bank details automatically. If you use advanced invoice templates, Xero also says you can insert static bank account details directly into the custom template layout. So the simple process is go to Settings, open Invoice Settings, edit your branding theme, add your bank details, and save. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.